Artisanal fishery, at its heart, is a traditional, small-scale form of fishing. Imagine a lone fisherman heading out in his small boat, casting his net, and bringing in the day's catch. This is the essence of artisanal fishery. It's about using traditional methods passed down through generations. Artisanal fishing is characterized by its small-scale operations. Fishermen use traditional boats, often powered by wind or oars, and rely on simple yet effective fishing gear like hand lines, traps, and nets. This low-impact approach minimizes damage to the marine environment. Another key characteristic is the selective nature of artisanal fishing. Fishermen target specific species at specific times, using their knowledge of local waters and fish behavior. Unlike large-scale industrial fishing, artisanal fishing is deeply connected to the community. Families often fish together, passing down knowledge and skills from one generation to the next. The catch is not just a commodity, but a source of food and income for the entire community. The essence of artisanal fishing lies in its respect for the sea and its bounty. It's about taking only what's needed. Artisanal fishing plays a vital role in the social and economic fabric of coastal communities worldwide. It provides a source of fresh, nutritious food, contributing to food security, particularly in developing countries. Beyond sustenance, artisanal fishing is a lifeline for countless families, providing income and employment opportunities. It empowers women who often play a crucial role in processing and selling the catch, fostering gender equality and economic empowerment. The contrast between artisanal and industrial fishing is stark. Industrial fishing, with its massive vessels and sophisticated technology, often prioritizes profit over sustainability, leading to overfishing and habitat destruction. Artisanal fishing, in contrast, operates on a human scale, employing traditional methods and a deep respect for the marine environment. It's about selective fishing, minimizing bycatch, and ensuring the long-term health of fish stocks. From the coral reefs of Indonesia to the icy waters of the Arctic, artisanal fishing is practiced in diverse ecosystems around the globe. In the Philippines, fishermen use traditional bamboo traps called bubo to catch fish, minimizing damage to the seabed. In the Mediterranean Sea, small-scale fishermen use lampara nets, a selective fishing method that targets specific species of fish at night, reducing bycatch and protecting marine life. In Peru, artisanal fishermen have been sustainably harvesting anchovies for centuries, using them to produce fish meal and fertilizer, contributing to food security and economic development. These examples demonstrate the adaptability and resilience of artisanal fishing, showcasing how traditional knowledge and sustainable practices can be applied in diverse environments to ensure the long-term health of our oceans. Artisanal fishing is an economic engine for coastal communities, providing livelihoods and driving local economies. It empowers individuals, families, and entire communities to become self-sufficient and prosperous. The income generated from artisanal fishing supports a wide range of economic activities, from boat building and net making to fish processing and marketing. This creates a ripple effect, stimulating economic growth and creating jobs in rural areas. Tourism is another sector that benefits from artisanal fishing. Visitors are drawn to the authenticity and cultural richness of fishing communities, eager to experience traditional fishing methods and sample fresh, locally sourced seafood. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with others. And write your thoughts about this fascinating nature life in the comment column below.